In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see contacts on Gmail account. By the end, you'll know exactly where your contacts live in Gmail, how to open the full Google Contacts page, and how to quickly find, view, and manage the details you care about. First, sign into your Gmail account from a web browser. If you use more than one Google account, double-check you're in the right inbox so you see the right contact list. Once you're in Gmail, look at the top right corner for the Google Apps icon, the small 9-dot grid. Click it, then choose Contacts. This takes you to your full Google Contacts page, where all saved contacts tied to that account are stored. Here, you can scroll through the list, sort, and work with your entire address book. If you want a quick peek without leaving Gmail, use the sidebar inside Gmail. On the right edge, click the Contacts or People icon. A small panel will slide out, showing recent or frequently contacted people. It's handy for quick lookups while you're reading or composing email. If you don't see the sidebar, look for a small arrow at the bottom right to expand it. You can also go straight to contacts.google.com. Sign in with the same Gmail account, and you'll land on the full Contacts interface. This is the best place for in-depth viewing and organizing, since everything is laid out in one dedicated page. To find someone fast, use the search bar at the top of Google Contacts. Type a name, an email address, or other details you remember. Results update quickly, which is helpful if you have a large list. Adding a few extra letters can narrow down lookalikes. When you click a contact's name, their details open in a dedicated view. Here you can review and edit phone numbers, addresses, email addresses, and notes. Make any changes you need and save updates synced to your Google account, so you'll see them across Gmail and other Google apps tied to that account. For organization, labels often called groups let you categorize contacts. Create a label and assign it to one or many contacts to keep related people together. If you spot duplicates, use the Merge Fix option. Google will suggest matches, and you can confirm to tidy things up without losing information. Finally, when you're in Gmail and want to add someone you're emailing, hover over their name in a message to open their contact card, then select Add to Contacts. That's it, simple and fast. With these options, you can view your contacts from Gmail, open the full Google Contacts page, search, edit, organize, and keep everything clean and up to date.